What up, Wave Gangers? At our new project today, it's raining, so we're supposed to cut some lawns, but here we are. We are going to basically transform this whole property. As you can see over here, way overgrown, a lot of rock. The rock's basically going. The majority of it, we're going to keep some around the tree, but if you want to walk this way, see?
Yep.
All this is going ripped out. All the way up here. Full new front landscape. And yeah, over here.
Rock bed.
Nice. So we're gonna do a little time lapse of us ripping all this stuff out, getting it prepped and ready. We got the plants in the truck, as you'll see in the beginning of the video, and of us picking it out, and go from there and see what we can get done today. Let's try this wave.
Wave gang.
All right, Wave Gang, here's a quick check-in. Got my main man T over there, putting all our debris away. Just did our demo for this project. Got all the shrubs ripped out, the ivy. We got a dingo coming tomorrow, so we're gonna remove all that rock. But we're gonna get the plants in now and go cut some lawns. But here's our plant choices. As you saw yesterday, this is gonna be amazing. So stay tuned. Check out this before. Let's ride this wave. All right, guys, come take a look. We got our layout. A little bit different than our last landscape, but amazing colors again. We got the hydrangeas in the back with the incredible color combination. I believe they are called Blushing Bride hydrangeas, in case you wanted to know. We got our Japanese maple, which is a nice statement piece, like we kind of always do. Sea Tollies, Lorope, Corbels with our signature, cone flowers. We always gift our landscapes some type of plant. Normally it's cone flowers, just as a thank you and another pop of color. If you walk up this way, T.
Yes, sir. Oh, this is bad.
More Corbels to kind of accent each other. Going back into this bed. This bed has less color but more function. So basically this is going to create a hedge which will hide his spigot and his hose and everything like that, and they're evergreen, so they'll bloom white in the summertime. They're autoleucon, we love them. Again, our Lorope, which will bloom purple, which you can kind of see on that far one over there. Those will all be nice and purple. Then we have our crepe myrtle, and then some Lorope in the back, just to kind of tie all the bed in. We're going to do a root mulch, which is like a brownish mulch, just to tie into the color tones and the clays of the house that it already has. So black mulch would kind of just
offset
be a bad contrast. So that's it. I'm going to time lapse me putting these guys in, and then we're going to go. That's going to be it for today. We're going to cut some lawns and catch back up to us tomorrow. Let's ride this wave.
Wave gang.
Alrighty, wave gangers, take a look at this beautiful little thing.
Let's get a little closer. Ooh.
Yeah.
Got
So still got a mulch. We're gonna do that tomorrow. But we got all of our plants in. I think they all match very nicely. And if you walk this way, completely changed the whole aspect of the front of the house. The curb appeal is muy bueno. So yeah, this is it. This is what we do, guys. So like I said, we'll mulch it. We'll get it looking good. Come back with the dingo, get rid of the rock, put a bunch of topsoil down, seed, straw mat, get them looking good, and then on to the next.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys, let's ride this way. I'll talk to you.